Hello all. So in this video we will see how to change a material type. So there will be few instances that will happen where a material will be created and later one will realize that the material is created wrongly. Wrongly in the sense with a wrong material type. So now that will impact the business processes because business don't want to do any kind of transactions, whether it is sales or procurement or purchase with that material type. So now in that case, how to change the material type, that we are going to see in this video. So to take an example, I am creating a material type. I am creating a material with material type ZRAW. So I am giving here all the mandatory inputs. So now here you can see I have created a material. In MARA table we can see the material type. Here it is ZRAW. So usually a material type can be changed only in case if there are no open transactional data that exist in the system and there will not be any stock. So if we can see in MMBE, there won't be any stock updates anywhere. So now it is blank. So in this kind of scenarios only one can change a material type. If any stock exists or if in case any open purchase order or open sales order or delivery that exist in the system, then system won't accept to change the material type, and it is also not advised to change the material type. So now before going to see how to change this material type, let us see what is the account category reference. For this materials valuation class. So now how to check the valuation class for this material. Here we can see this material is created for this material type ZRAW. If we go to another table which is MBEW, we can see the valuation class here. Here the valuation class is 9900. So for 9900 the account category reference is 9999. So now we can only change the material type from ZRAW to another material type that is assigned to this account category reference only. So if we go to SPRO IMG materials management, valuation and account assignment, account determination without wizard, define valuation class. In this, if you can see, ZRAW is assigned with account category reference 9999. Likewise, ZRA, this material type is also assigned to the same account category reference. So system only will allow to change this material type to this material type, because for both the account category reference remains the same. In these circumstances only one can change the material type, and the T code to create the material type is MM AM. So now this is the material. Now here we have to give the new material type, which is ZRA in our case. So here is it. So we have to give the material, and then we have to select the new material type and execute. Click on enter. Now system will prompt a message, material type changed. So now if we go to the same MARA screen, and if we refresh, before refreshing we can see here the material type before doing the change is ZRAW. Now you can see there is a change in material type. So this is how one can change the material types. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.